Hey guys, thanks for stopping back. I have an important tip today. If you just purchased a MoFi4500 or a M1 Netgear Nighthawk or similar, I would say you need to lock your bands. So I'm in the country and I only have two real bands that are worth connecting to. So I don't know how that will play into where it is where you live, but I would say you need to lock your bands. I'll show you why here. That was with bands locked there. So here is what I got just a second ago after I unlocked my MoFi and took off band locking. It's set to auto right now. Let's run it again and see what we're getting right now. But that was pretty terrible. This is Sunday afternoon, about almost, well, 2:45. And it looks like it has not improved. That's pretty terrible. Let me switch to the other one just to show you what it was getting. We were getting 47 down and almost 20 up with the band locked to the one I know works the best. So okay guys, so right after you buy a MoFi4500 and you turn it on and you establish connectivity either via the wireless on it or if you have it land into your home router, this is probably the second thing that you want to do. Go to your internal modem and band scanner and kick a scan off. This is going to find all the bands that it's capable of seeing, and it will tell you the signal quality. So in decibels, dB, it's better to have a lower number. That would be a stronger signal and more desirable, but sometimes it won't make sense. I'll show you in a minute after this finishes that even though a band is getting a stronger signal doesn't mean the internet being served behind it is going to be quicker. There's no correlation there. So you have to come in and test all this. I can tell you that I'm normally locked into band 2, and right now it's negative 91 is the rating it's getting. Band 12 is what I was on just a second ago when I left it on auto. So here this doesn't make sense, but this is how it works in the real world or whatever. Better signal sounds great, but you've seen how bad the score was here. 6 down and not even 4 up. Decent ping, but that's pretty terrible compared to sorry, I was looking at Toyotas. That's pretty bad compared to what I'm normally getting. So even though the signal is 3 dBs worse, that's what I was getting when I had it locked to that. Way better. Way better. So on the other one, when I had it set to auto, I was trying to stream YouTube, and 1080, there was no way it would have to buffer for 5 seconds. It'd run for about 10 seconds, and then you're back to buffering. So they say you're supposed to have about 12 meg down to do 1080, and it seems that is accurate with how that just worked out. So what you want to do is lock the bands that you receive. You need to lock them and then test each one. I've already went through and done all that, and I know that band 2 is my best bet. So you drop down one to band lock, you set your band, and then reboot your router. Let's take a look in here. Okay, so here you can also, I've been in here just last week experimenting. So I have this locked down just to band 2 is the only one it can be applied. And I don't want it locked into anything in the, I think that's a 3G service, right? So, yep. Lock it to the one that you threw out your test that you found is serving the quickest internet behind it, and leave it on that one. Okay, we're back after the reboot. We're pinging here. Let's see what we get. So we are locked down to band 2. Again, like I had it. See if we get 50 down and 20 up again. Ping's okay. Yep, back to normal now. I assume we'll get about 20 up here in a second. Okay, back to almost 20 down again, or 20 up. So, when you get a new device, guys, you need to lock your bands or you're going to have some crappy internet compared to what you could be having. So, that's all I got for today, guys. Check into this when you get your new device and scan your bands to make sure you know what's serving the best internet behind them. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. See ya.